Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Just came from YouTube Live and stuff like that. Now I'm on Facebook Live, y'all. Okay? So, it's late night rain, y'all. Thank you, camera, for focusing. Alright? Yep. So, it's late night rain. Just came from YouTube Live, you know. So yes, y'all. It's late night rain. Alright? Yep. It's raining hard. Yeah, they say it was going to rain at 6 o'clock. But I guess there was changes or whatever, you know. So, I guess it's raining right now. Uh-oh. Alright, I could have named this late night rain and lightning, but I didn't, you know. Maybe I'll put it in the description, you know. Like I'll do for my YouTube one, you know. Well, this one gonna be on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube right now, it's already on YouTube, including my gaming channel. Okay. All right. So I've done a live stream for my gaming channel. It's not only a gaming channel, you know. Just because it said Domino 866 gameplay, you know. Just because it said that, you know. That don't mean I only do gameplay. I mostly do gameplay on that channel. Well, if you're watching this on the Domino 7, the Domino 866 gameplay channel, then on this channel is gaming. Okay, main video channel is gaming. Okay, yep. It's raining hard tonight. Well, the rain will probably stop eventually. Okay. Alright, so night and night, ladies. Night and night, ladies and gentlemen.